Hello and welcome. Guess what day it is? It's Stitch Fix Day. I know. Can I get any more excited? So I have a $25 discount code below, and I believe this is my last summer box. I have enough summer stuff to last me a lifetime. Well, at least until next summer. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate it. So Stitch Fix you can get whenever you want, monthly, yearly. When you return a box, you can get a box. If you're new to Stitch Fix, it's a $20 a month styling fee that gets applied towards anything you purchase in the box. There are styling passes that they've been given out. You pay $49 and you can get as many boxes all year long, which is what I do. And it's terrible because I just buy. So I have a stylist, and I've been having Susie for so long. I normally pick my outfits. They send you 10 items, shirts, pants, accessories, and then out of those 10, you can pick all of them, well, 5 of them. None of them. I usually pick 3 to 5 of my items, so I usually know what I'm gonna get. Well, let's open the box, and then of course it comes with the return envelope, which I have not been using lately. And then a bundle. Now in this fix, I ordered shorts. I know it's getting towards the end of the season, but we wear shorts pretty much all the time. December, January, it's jeans. But most of the time it's shorts. Even if I'm just staying home, I throw on shorts. And I got my styling note. I usually read it after. And let's see what I picked out. I picked out the shorts, that's right. I picked out the 3 shorts. I didn't pick out the tops. So let's see what she sent me. And the first one looks like this. Now, the back has the buttons, which I don't mind, but this looks very sheer. And if you watched my last Stitch Fix, you notice I went up to an extra large because they've just been too tight on me. And I do like this top, but I don't know if I like the see-through in the back. But I will try this on, and this is a Fortune and Ivy. So we will put this to the side. And then this is a Daniel Rain, and it's in a beautiful coral color. It's got the eyelets. I don't know if I'm crazy about it. So, and this extra large looks just a tad big, but you never know until you try it on. And here are my shorts. I bought shorts like these before in the past, but I find when you wash them, they start to fade and they don't really look as nice. And I don't know if it's just the way I wash, but they just don't look as good. And these are the STS Blue. Is that the brand? Yeah, STS Blue in a size 8. And they're nice. And these are Studio Blue, so is that the same brand? I probably don't need any more shorts, but these are cute. And then I ordered these because they were green, and I don't have a lot of green, but these look extremely short. And these are the Vigos, but they look extremely short. So that's what I got, and I'll be right back with my try on. Okay, I'm back with my first outfit. I am wearing the Fortune and Ivy gem button back mixed top. They're calling this off-white. It's in the extra large, and I'm wearing the Vigos Elliott Utility Pocket Short in olive in a size 8. I'm liking the outfit together, except the shorts, my granddaughter, who's like 2 months old, could probably wear. So this is the top. I love the neckline, and I actually like the pattern on the top. I like the way this part fits. These are the shorts. So obviously they are way too short. And I'll show you the back. Now I can't see the back, so I can't see how see-through it looks. So I'm gonna have to replay the video. And of course, what's left of the shorts, this is the short. But if I can find like longer shorts or pants, this top would really look nice with it. And a cardigan, I would totally like an outfit like that. But again, I'm thinking the shorts are too short. So let me know what you think of this top and shorts, and I'll be right back with the next one. Okay, I'm back with the next pair of shorts. These are the Studio Blue Delilah Clear Hem Denim Shorts in light blue in a size 8. These are longer, not much, but they are longer. I don't have to step back that far for you to see them. I do like the way they fit. I kept the same top on. But they are, I want to say they're comfortable. You know, they've got the stretch here. So for my belly, I can sit down, I could, you know, exercise. So they do have the stretch. I'm just thinking they could be a little longer. But this top is like growing on me, so I'm gonna have to do the playback to see how see-through it is in the back. Dennis said he really liked the outfit, so possibility. And then I have the last outfit, the coral top and the blue shorts to try on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with this last outfit that I don't really like. It is the Daniel Rain Clara Isla detail top in coral, and then the STS Blue GG mid-rise utility pocket trousers in blue in a size 8. So here is the detail of the top. I mean, this is an extra large, so I could dry it, shrink it. But I just don't like what's going on up here. I'll turn around. I mean, it fits nice everywhere. And then these are the shorts. Again, they're in the short category. And I know they're gonna fade. So compared to the other shorts that I got, these are my least favorite. But they do feel nice. They have give to them, so I can stretch. I can definitely eat. So let's do a recap. Not much to say about summer clothes because there's not a whole lot there. So the total price of this fix is $227. The buy all discount takes $56.75 off, which brings it down to $170.25, no shipping, and of course there's tax. So this would be under $200, 5 pieces. And 3 of them are shorts. Not that there's a lot of shorts going on there. This top that I'm wearing is $64. No, I would not pay $64. The shorts that I'm wearing, these blue ones, are $39. Not a bad price for shorts. The gem button mixed that first top I tried on, I really like it. That was $38. The light blue shorts, which were nice, those were $38, so that's not a bad price. And the green shorts, those were $48. They had the least amount of material, but they were $48. So what did you think of this, Fix? Are those short shorts or what? So leave comments below. Let me know if you would wear any of these pieces, what your favorite item is, what you would have kept. Please hit that subscribe button and thumbs up if you like this video and its content. There'll be a coupon code below. And as always, you guys have an awesome day, and thank you for spending time with me.